Okay, this is the Okamoto 6x12 hand feed surface grinder. It's currently wired for 220 volts 3-phase. It has a SONY DRO 2-axis display. It goes to 10th. And you have a vacuum guard on here, which is nice if you want to hook up a shop vac or some kind of dust collection system to it. That's always nice to have. It has its own little supply here, transformer, to make 110 volts so that you can power up the DRO and the truck controller right off of the machine rather than having to plug it in your wall. Also on the other side there has a one-shot lubrication system, so you pump that up not while you're doing a job, but sometime while the machine is sitting idle so that the oil can go up and will not disturb your grinding. Also, this is a roller bearing table on here. It's got a lock down here because it's very sensitive and we're sitting on a skid and we're really not straight. So I put the lock on so it stays there, but you can use that lock if you're going to be doing some kind of a plunge grind and you don't want anything to move. You have these stops here that you can set. Loosen those set screws in the center and you can adjust these. Your cross feed you have here. You have scales on both the cross feed and the down feed that you can set the dials or your scales to 0 so you know where you're at. This is also a cable drive system as well as a roller bearing table. So when we got it in pieces, and when we ship it out we're going to have it so that the table is either off or there's a way that keeps the weight off of the ball bearings, because you don't want this to be bouncing around with the ball bearings on there. So we'll take care of that when we ship it out. But anyway, there it is, the Okamoto. I believe, I don't know what it's actually called, model number, but that will be on our quotation. This has a walker, a nice walker, LBP, fine pole, fine division chuck with your lines running in the horizontal direction. It's a very nice chuck, especially for small work pieces and very thin work pieces. So overall, it's a very nice grinder. I actually did a little job on it. It has a very nice finish. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video.